Hello trader, this is complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have currently in this instrument on the lower time frame. As we can see that after this very strong uptrend, currently the market is in a pullback. So lower time frame price action, we might find potential entry. Now, before we look for that potential entry, let's see the bigger picture perspective where the market is currently heading. Now, looking at monthly, we can see that the market is in a bull market. We have seen that every month the price was forming series of higher low, followed by this current monthly price action had a very sharp bounce from this previous resistance, which is turning support here. And with that bounce, what we can see, the price tested this resistance as a support, and we have seen there is a sharp bounce from that level. Now with that bounce, as this is the monthly price action, we may see that the price potentially keep pushing back to the upside, and before that expecting a deeper pullback in this market. So let's see that on the lower time frame from the weekly perspective, what kind of price action it is forming here. Now looking at weekly, the previous weekly price action here is bullish and golfer, which has also crossed couple of weeks liquidity in that area, and with that liquidity grab from a strong bullish and golfer in this market. Now this current weekly price action, what we can see that after retest of this high, the price currently in a pullback. So with that being said, we may see significant pullback here as the market has reached that all-time high, has got a reaction from the top, expecting for this price potentially drop back again to that support level before it bounce back up. So let's see that on the daily chart how the price is potentially evolving here. Now daily price action is quite significant. As you can see, the market had a break of structure in that area, and with this break of structure the price has broken completely from this support level, grab the liquidity, and we can see there was a daily impulse here followed by very narrow consolidation here, and we can see that there is another daily move in that area. So today's price action, we can see after break of this previous daily high, we see there is a reaction from the top. Now previous daily candle is a full body green that has a very sharp volume in it. As this candlestick pattern is sharply bullish, today's price has got a reaction. There are two probable scenario. Now we might see the market to come down for a deeper pullback, as when we see that this kind of bullish candlestick pattern is more often, we could see that this candle normally cross again for deeper pullback, as this is a gap open here on the daily, and that gap open in fact has not been tested yet. So we may see that the market either to drop even back to that level for a pullback and then to return back up, or we could see potentially again breaking back to the upside here. So looking at here on the 1 hour chart to see what kind of price action it has formed here. Now from the 1 hour we can see that this is the lower time frame price action here. There is a 1 hour bearish engulfer followed by narrow doji, and in that zone we saw previous session there is a long week rejection here. And this market, what we can see that is this is a bull market. Now if we draw this trend line here, what you can see, the price was respecting this support level multiple times, and at the moment the price, we can see that here is in a pullback. As we can see, there was a break of structure multiple times, the price grabbing liquidity from here. What I think that we might see lower time frame consolidation in that area, and we could expect for either to deepen this pullback to trend back again to this order block here where there is a head and shoulder, or we could see there is potentially trend continuation to the major direction as there is a liquidity here as well on the daily chart. This is the daily price action in that area. So looking at on the 15-minute chart to see how the price is forming here, we can see the market is creating a structure here for possible local uptrend here, and this is where short-term bullish trading opportunity that we will be looking for, as this market might move a little in a sideway or can get dropped back here for a deeper pullback. But at the moment we see there is an imbalance here, quite a few long week candle formation. Therefore in that area on the lower time frame, from short term bullish trading opportunity that we will be looking to see how we can find entry in this instrument. Traders, I hope that you enjoyed this education and analysis. If you enjoyed, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I will see you soon in my next analysis.